So with this, I would like to invite Zehra from US Embassy to give her a few remarks about the entire program and about how AEIF and other initiatives from US Embassy has been supporting the entrepreneurs in Nepal. Over to you, Zehra.
Thank you so much. Yes. Namaste. How are you? My Nepali is good enough that I understood the law part made you sleepy. So I understand that as a former lawyer, law can make you sleepy. So I don't blame you. Thank you for letting me join today. It is a privilege. I'm excited to see all of you because as entrepreneurs, you always bring new energy to things. Let me introduce myself. I am Zehra Naqvi. I am the Economic and Commercial Officer at the US Embassy in Nepal. I want to close with a little bit of an exercise, but first let me read the remarks I'm supposed to read. So, ScaleUp Nepal is a great example of what can happen when talented people, strong ideas, and the right partnerships come together. Amit, thank you for your partnership, your vision, your persistence in trying a few times, and for your belief in yourself and your vision. Because without that, none of this happens. And there's a huge risk that you take. And you took the risk for these folks, and all of you are taking risks. And that's a part a lot of people don't acknowledge, that it's scary. You're putting a lot of yourself into your work. Through the Alumni Engagement Innovation Fund that Amit talked about, the US is proud to support alumni who are turning their experience into something practical, building skills, supporting entrepreneurs, and creating real impact. Programs like this also matter to the United States. As Nepali startups grow, they become future partners for US companies. They become partners for investors, universities, and exchange alumni from all of our programs are often the ones who help connect those dots because they understand both local realities and global standards. You've got to blend both, right, for success in today's world. Innovation, technology, and entrepreneurship matter because they create jobs, especially for young people in Nepal. This program has focused on giving Nepali entrepreneurs the tools they actually need to grow and scale in a sustainable way. We're especially excited to see ScaleUp Nepal expand beyond Kathmandu and into more provinces, helping make sure opportunities reach entrepreneurs across the entire country. The US Embassy remains committed to supporting Nepal's startup ecosystem because exchange alumni help turn programs like this into meaningful and real partnerships. This helps build an entrepreneurial ecosystem that can create more jobs and prosperity in both of our countries. That's something we're already seeing take shape. Companies like Veal, Fuse Machines, and more, led by Nepali heritage entrepreneurs, are already paving the way, and we can't wait to see more from emerging entrepreneurs like you. Congratulations to the organizers and participants. We look forward to seeing how your ideas grow into businesses that create jobs, solve problems, and compete globally. I'd actually like to ask all of you, the videographers and photographers are going to get super mad, for all of you to stand up for a second. I want you to face each other, not me. Look at one person, face each other. Over here too, all of you. Everybody in the room. Okay. There are two things I want you to look each other in the eyes and say, okay? So the first one, Mero thulo sapna cha. Ra ma safal hunchu. Now I want you to say it once more, super loud with me. Mero thulo sapna cha. Ra ma safal hunchu. Thank you so much. I wish you so much success.